Today, we will prepare a cabinet door that will add elegance to your design, starting with just a single panel. Are you ready? Let's start making the door with MP-1047. Our first step is to cut our furniture profile to the correct dimensions. We use a 45-degree miter saw to cut the profiles to the appropriate measurements and angles. Next, we move on to cutting the panel for the door where the profiles will be used. We begin by trimming the edges of the panel to ensure a smoother finish. For better results during the cutting phase, we recommend using a jumping saw for all panel cuts. Once the panels are cut to the desired dimensions, we can proceed to the assembly stage. Now we are in the assembly phase. While assembling each piece, remember that these doors not only provide functionality, but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. The panel, profile, fast adhesive and glue come together. First, we apply the glue to the joining corners to prepare for gluing. Then we reinforce with fast adhesive. After applying the coolant spray to the other corner of the profile, we move on to the joining phase. While joining the corners, ensure they are perfectly aligned. After removing the protective film from the panel, we apply glue to all the inner edges of our frame-shaped profile. Now we can place the panel inside the frame. Here is the door prepared with MP-1047. Optionally, you can support the corners with paper tape and leave them to dry. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can coexist. As you can see, by combining our imagination with a furniture panel and profile, it is possible to create a wonderful cabinet door. This door is no longer just a piece, but has become a work of art reflecting the spirit of our designs.